Welcome back to another Mixology Monday. I got Jordan here, I'm Robbie. We got a quick and easy cocktail for you. What are we making today, Jordan?
I'm making the CHOCO Latte.
Hell yeah, dude. This is gonna be an awesome drink, super simple. What's step one?
We're gonna throw a little black coffee in these cups.
Gotcha, bud. Whoa, that thing is hot. All right, we got some black coffee in there.
Yep. Now we're gonna add some hot chocolate.
Gotcha. Looks good, smells good. We're using Javestica coffee for this. This is the same coffee maker that makes our coffee for our coffee rum.
Yeah, great.
What's next?
Next we're gonna put some milk in there, do it to taste. If you like more cream,
You like a lot or a little?
A little.
Little for me too. Yeah, like you said, you can make these drinks to taste. I'm gonna give that a quick stir.
Yep. Smelling good.
It is smelling good. All right, bud. I think it's ready for the
most important ingredient.
important stuff.
The Carolina Coffee Rum.
So for this drink, we are using our Coffee Carolina Rum. This is our newest product. It's made with real coffee. It is phenomenal, and it's really gonna make this drink awesome. Tom Cruise. Spilled a little bit on that one. We're putting 1.5 ounces in this, but again, like everything else, do it to taste. I might do 2 ounces at home, I don't know. And how do we doll this up?
Top her off with some Ready Whip.
Ready Whip. Violent. There you have it, folks. That's our CHOCO Latte. Hope you like this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media. Don't forget to come out to the distillery and take a tour, check out our products, give it a taste, see how we make the rum. We're for sale in your local liquor stores. You can also buy us online in Illinois, or if you live in Canada. Cheers, and thanks for watching. Cheers, brother.
Cheers. Showing up or anything?
I am fuzzy like crazy. I don't even care. All right. So, not like we're filming in 4K or anything.
Yeah, where you can see a pimple on your on the front.
Speaking of that, just covered in them. My eye's twitching.
It's fine. Drink more.